What up, guys? It's Chris with Barbeque. Today, I got an easy and quick recipe for you. Bacon jam. Yeah, I said it. Bacon jam. Let's go. Let's just quickly go over the ingredients in this really easy recipe. All the quantities will be down below, but just real quick, we have a pound of thick cut bacon that we're gonna cut into pieces. Use some really good bacon here. Some chili powder, apple cider vinegar, red onion, some garlic. You can use fresh garlic. I'm cheating, don't sue me. Real maple syrup, and of course brown sugar. I'm gonna get everything ready and cut up, and we'll get started. Okay, the first step is our bacon. So I've gone ahead and I've diced up, not really diced, but cubed up nice big pieces. So you can see that, yeah. And I got my pan heated up. Now you don't have to use cast iron, but you definitely want a heavy bottom pan of some sort. Just like any other jam or sauce, you're gonna be reducing liquids down, so you want good heat distribution all around. So we're gonna be cooking this down till it's all the bacon is crispy. Obviously, watch it so you don't burn, but it needs to be crispy. Not only that, but we are extracting all the fat from this, because you know, bacon fat rules, right? So we'll come back with it when this is all crisped up. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. This is what we got. This is what you're looking for. All the fats come out of there. All the pieces are browned and crispy. Now what you want to do is take a slotted spoon or your spatula, pull all this out of there, because we want to drain the bacon off while leaving the fat behind. All right, got our bacon in there. Okay, dry it off. Set that aside. All right, so what you're left with is a bunch of small bacon bits, and what you're wanting is about a tablespoon of fat. Use your best judgment. I'm just gonna leave it all in there. So now we're gonna take our whole red onion that we've chopped up, not really diced, just a chop, and we're gonna throw this in there, and we're gonna get this onion to caramelize. So I have reduced my heat down because we don't want to cook these too fast. We want things to caramelize. It's gonna be about 15 minutes or so. It's gonna pull all the bacon bits off the pan. It's gonna caramelize slowly. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, it's been 15 minutes, and as you can see, these onions have sweated down, they've caramelized, they got nice and soft, they're gonna disintegrate after they were done with them. All right, looks beautiful. So now, we're gonna add back in our bacon bits. Mix that up. So now that the bacon is firmed up, I'm gonna put it back in here, and as this jam comes together, the bacon's gonna soften back up. All right, now it's time to add in the rest of our ingredients. So, go over everything again. So we have a half cup of our brown sugar, quarter cup of maple syrup, third cup of apple cider vinegar. Get that stirred in. I don't want anything to scorch. We're still over about a medium-low heat. We have 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You don't have to use this. You can use paprika. This is the medium-hot chili powder. It's just gonna add a nice little pop to it. I live in Arizona, obviously, so I like a little heat. But use whatever you want, or nothing, up to you. And about 2 cloves worth of garlic. So I'm actually gonna raise the heat a little bit to about medium, more of a medium. Okay, you just gotta watch it. So we're gonna bring this up to a simmer. And just like any sauce or a jam, we're gonna bring it to a simmer and then let it reduce. Got you zoomed in here. So I got this brought up to a simmer. Now we're just gonna watch it. Don't let it get to a hard simmer. Just want like a gentle simmer, just like this. We're just reducing this liquid down. There's not gonna be a timetable to this. You just gotta watch it, make sure it doesn't burn, stir it every couple of minutes or so. And what we're looking for is when we can scrape the bottom of the pan and it's clean, you know it's done. So I'll let you know how long this takes, but for now, just gotta watch and wait. You know what? Where's my beer? All right, it's been 13 minutes. Let's check it. Again, like I said, if you do that and it doesn't return, you know it's good. So this is good. All right, so it took 13 minutes. So I'm gonna turn off the heat, pull it off. All right, look at this. That's absolutely beautiful. See how it clumps together like that, like an actual jam. All right. We are done. All right, so here's the finished product. It's nice and chunky. Sauce is sticky like a jam. Now, I have seen some people either blend this up so where it's more smooth or chop the bacon up before putting it back in, but I kind of like this rustic, larger chunks. So I just have some toast here. Get some of this on there. Oh, it's still warm. All right, let's give this a try. All right, here it is. Man, got the chunks of bacon, caramelized onions. The sauce is in it. It almost tastes like a caramel. What you think about it, we kind of just made a caramel with the brown sugar, the maple syrup, the little bit of vinegar. It's a delicious, delicious sauce. Delicious jam. Man, that could be a substitute for syrup itself. I can think about putting this stuff on French toast, pancakes, toast, and you can go savory with it too. Put it on some pork chops. Oh, it'd be awesome on pork chops. That's a great idea. But also, you can use this inside meatloaf. And actually, I did that. I have a link up here on the iCard to I actually used this in a meatloaf recipe I did recently. So please check that out. But honestly, the possibilities are endless. So this stuff, the pound of bacon and that whole onion made this whole thing. That's hot. I'd say about 2 cups or so. So that could last you a little while. Put it in the fridge, last a couple weeks. I'm not sure if you can can it. If you would know if you can can this stuff, let me know. I would think it'd be stable because of the vinegar, but I'm not an expert. Don't quote me. If you know, let me know. But all right, guys, that was it. A really quick recipe to make bacon jam that can be used on almost anything you can think of. I am really excited about that pork chop idea. All right, guys, so I know I haven't been making videos a lot, but I'm trying, I really am. Comment down below what you would use this stuff on. I wanna know your ideas, and I would love talking to you guys again. I know it's been a while, so. And hey, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and guys, it's like I always say, keep on grilling. See you next time.